Once you know how to do percent composition and you want to do word problems using your percent composition, one little thing to remember is that percentages are part over total equals a percent over 100. So you can use this ratio here to find out whatever you need. You place your part over your total, and it's going to equal to the percentage of that part divided by 100. Okay? Now, number one says calculate the percent of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate. All right, so in order to find the percent of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate, we need the molar mass of ammonium nitrate. Now we're just going to go through this again. Ammonium is NH4 positive 1 and nitrate is NO3 minus 1. Since the positive 1 and negative 1 kind of cancel each other out, then the formula then is NH4NO3. So doing an atom count, nitrogen, it looks like I have 2 nitrogens, so I'm going to put 2. Hydrogen, I've got 4 hydrogens, so I'm going to put 4. Oxygens, I have 3 oxygens. And I'm going to multiply them by the molar mass. So the molar mass of an atom is called the atomic mass. So nitrogen has the atomic mass of 14, so that's 28. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so that's going to be 4. The atomic mass of oxygen is going to be 16, so 16 times 3 is 48. And I'm going to add these all together, and that's going to be, well, let's see, 30 plus 50, 80. 80 grams per mole. Now to find the percent of nitrogen, I'm going to take the mass of nitrogen and divide by, that's going to be my part, 28 divided by 80 equals the percent over 100. And so the percent being 35%. So you end up with 35% nitrogen. Part A asks, how many grams of nitrogen are contained in 125 grams of ammonium nitrate? All right, so given this information, we know we have 125 grams of ammonium nitrate. Now, we are looking for grams of just the nitrogen. So if we're using this formula here, we don't know the amount of grams of nitrogen, and we know the 125 grams of ammonium nitrate. See, nitrogen is a part of ammonium nitrate. So we can say X grams of nitrogen over 125 grams of ammonium nitrate. So that's my part divided by my total, and it's equal to the percent. Now the percent of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate, we already know that, it's 35%. So it's equal to 35% over 100. I can solve for X, and X equals 43.7, or we'll say 43.8 grams because of sig figs of nitrogen. All right? And that makes sense because nitrogen is part of ammonium nitrate, and so this number has to be lower than the total amount. Part B. What mass of ammonium nitrate contains 40 grams of nitrogen? So in this case, we're looking for mass of the ammonium nitrate. And we have 45 grams of nitrogen. So here we have a part, and we are looking for the total. So if I put 40.0 grams of nitrogen, that's my part, and I'm going to divide it by my total, which is X grams of NH4NO3, all right, it's a brand new problem, all right, is equal to the percent of nitrogen, which is 35%, over 100. I can solve this and find out X grams. And that's going to be, so 0.35 cross, so 40 divided by 0.35 is 114 grams of ammonium nitrate. And again, that makes sense because we are looking for the total amount of ammonium nitrate that contains the 40 grams of nitrogen.